So this product was given to me to get my honest opinion on, and this is basically if you want to be like help yourself, your bones get stronger and help be taller, by Dr. Taller. And it's an advanced growth formula for bone strength support, powerful and healthy growth for children 8 plus and teens. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, and soy-free, GMP certified, made in the U.S., and it comes with 60 capsules, vegan capsules, and it's a 30-day supply. So this is the product which you get. It comes with all the supplement facts here. It's like a lot of vitamins, calcium, phosphorus, zinc, and it also comes with some powders, like some blends of. Let's see if I can pronounce any of these. I can, but I think I see mycelium powder and then like a lot of other ones. So let's see how this looks. First impression, seeing how it looks inside the pill and everything. So I'm short. I needed this when I was younger because I'm a short person. Imagine if I could be taller, potentially. So this is how the pill looks like. It smells like white. It smells kind of like bread in a way.